Today I will teach you to make the Christmas scene. For that we need a cotton roll. Make the big circle for the face and two small circles for the eyes. Then make a big nose and color it. Put two sticks in the roll for the hands and one stick in the head. Then attach it. Make the snow of the cotton around the house and keep the snowman on it. Please subscribe to my channel for the more videos.